The next concept we are going to see is sorted map. Sorted map, not sorted set. Okay. So let's increase the font size. 18. Let's go. So let's understand the characteristics of sorted map. Okay. So what is exactly sorted map? Sorted map. It is similar to the sorted set. Okay. The thing is that sorted map will be taking the key value pair. Key value pair. It will be taking the key value pair. We're taking the key value pair, and it will be sorting the data based on the keys. Okay. Sorted map. Sorted map. Alright. Sorted map will be sorting the data based on keys. Okay. But not with the values. Okay. So when you should go for sorted map, if you want to represent a group of individual objects as a key value pairs, and you'll be sorting the data based on the keys, then you should go and use the sorted map. And even sorted map doesn't take duplicate keys, and it doesn't take null values as well. Okay. So sorted map doesn't take null values for keys, but it will take null for the values. Okay. Next interface we have navigable map. Let's understand navigable map. So what is navigable map? Let's see. So it is same actually. It is same to the navigable set actually. So we will be using the navigable map for the for the navigation purpose only. Okay. So yeah, it is also take the key value pair. We'll also take the key value pair, and we will be using the navigable map when we are working with the navigations. We will be using this navigable map. Okay, so we have covered the interfaces, 9 key interfaces. Okay, so we have seen the collection, list, set, sorted set, navigable set, queues, map, sorted map, and navigable map. Okay, so let's see the next concept, the next video. We'll see the implementation classes of these 9 key interfaces in a couple of minutes. Okay, so maybe in next video we'll be seeing this one.